Hey misses, today I'm going to show you guys how I transport my garlands and how I hang them up at an actual event. So we're on the way to the reception and we need to decorate. Okay. Sick. That's the setup.
So right now you guys, I'm on my way to an event.
Everybody say, make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you are new here, this is a channel dedicated to inspiring the party planner in you and those who wish to make it their career. So right now I'm going to show you guys how I transport and hang up a balloon garland. And so right here I'm at my client's home, and what I'll do is I'll park as close as possible, of course. I'm just gonna unload the garland. You see that I just pack it up kind of around everything. What's nice about when you make a tight garland using twine or the fishing line instead of the strip is that you can kind of like move it and tuck it around, and it's really secure. So I didn't have to worry too much about this. It was kind of put in around a box and some other things that have already been taken out of the car. So you'll see that I wrap them with these tablecloths, and these are just tablecloths that I don't use for actual parties, and I just put this around so that it doesn't get any debris or any hair or anything picked up on the garland, and to give it a little bit of protection while it's in the car. As you saw, it was kind of like bent into the side, and sometimes you kind of have to like shut the door on it, so it just offers a little extra protection. Also, you'll see it kind of helps me kind of be able to like drag it in, so I'm kind of like pulling it in by the tablecloths, and so it's going to be nice and secure and clean when I get it in. Now I just unwrap the tablecloth. Now I will be using a stand today, but there's several ways you can hang it up even if you don't have a stand. This is very simple, you guys. It's not as complicated as you might think it is. I will link in the description box below which backdrop stand this is. I've been using this ever since I started doing event planning. There's another alternate that I would recommend as well, and I will leave that link there too. This whole balloon garland is constructed with fishing line, with the fishing line wrapped around each balloon. If you guys need to see a tutorial of this, I will link a video where I have a mini tutorial inside the video up here in the iCard and in the description box. So what you'll see is that I make a little loop at the end. And right now I'm literally just looping this around anything that's sticking out. As you can see in the corner of my backdrop stand, there are handles that screw in and out, and I'm just tying it to the bar. Literally just pulling it and tying it to the bar where I feel that I want it to be secure right there. And what you have to do is you have to watch and make sure that it's giving the shape that you want. This particular garland I wanted to kind of like float into midair, hang over the other little table that we had. But if you wanted it to come down and cascade, you would just tie the bottom part of the garland to the bottom part of the backdrop, and you kind of create the shape that you want by tying it or hooking it to a command strip. So like I said, guys, super simple, super easy. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something, and I will see you guys soon.